my grandpa them in Hanover, you see it? Come chill out for the Heroes weekend, me and Sonny.
Slightly tipsy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no. How much you can drink?
About 4 shots, 3
4 shots and 3 cups, you see it? So I'm sure now if you are the place, I'm going to see what I want, you see me?
KyngTaj, SB.
Look, history weekend, what you and your friends eating? Yes, I'm seeking. New girls hardly speaking. Called a deacon. Yes, I'm a filthy heathen. Look, you looking summertime fine at the finish line. Glass of red wine, baby, let me get your time. Picture with me, and you'll become a headline.
Jenna Bungs, 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 3 of us, Jenna Bungs, 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 do the dancer, Jenna Bungs, Jenna Bungs, Jenna Bungs, Jenna Bungs, Jenna Bungs, me a Japan, huh? Where? In a bad mind boy head there. Vex you and me the dancing world say. Me no want no respect from none of them there. The party a shot dog, how you did there? Over the tickers when you remember. She in a shot up shots and body a fling where. One me a look from the object there. Dog if you want fuck some girl, if you want live with a friend, if you want smoke.
I'm from Brazil. May I?
You're from Brazil? Yeah. I can show you what to say. No, I walk down room, I just get my room key and I go look for the villa right now and I know I'm drunk and it go take me a while to find it because I just not no sense and you know how that go when you're drunk and right now I sweat if I can't see people. See if you see me I sweat I come drunk. Sleep, man, boy, for sleep, is it? So, I don't know, yeah, man. Tired. Just wake up from a long nap of freshness, you know. There, just take off my shirt and thing. But I gotta get something to eat at the restaurant. A 17 restaurant I've seen, so I gotta choose one and get something to eat from down there. So yeah, I'm gonna bring one with me. I walk towards the restaurant and I'll go club later, but I'll get something to eat now. Come too late. I've got to check on my next restaurant, I'm coming too late. How would that turn out?
Not Wayne Marshall.
You know, them said the food done downstairs, so I go upstairs now. Our next restaurant. Them said them have 17 restaurants and I want alone missing. Buonasera, sei sempre da
Ciao bella, come stai?
Come
Tutto
stai?
bene?
Yeah?
Qui siamo ad Arte e Cucina.
Yes.
Io sono lo chef Alessandro.
Yeah.
Buonasera.
Buonasera.
Perfetto.
Which way I say with them general?
But they are in this Italy right now.
Alright,
But you don't know.
alright.
This is just day one of the vlog.
Day one.
See it, so you don't know. Tonight we go clubbing, oh my vlog people. So tonight we go clubbing and match something with the Italian girls.
Tonight when him go clubbing.
I don't to them I drink and frost and drunk and go sleep and get up back. And kinda nice now. And what I do then here?
Amarita sour.
I drink an Amarita sour drink. It's an almond
Almond drink. Sour almond drink. Sour almond drink.
Sour almond drink, you know?
King yourself.
Yeah man, man. Man.
Mad thing, mad thing, mad thing.
You want to make up for yourself?
Yeah man, bless. If you tuck it in your shirt, my Jenna. Yeah, man. I don't know how you cut pasta still, no, but you see the people, you might do it. I can move like a girl and reach my plate. How the octopus taste you?
Rice now.
Have a nice chewy texture there. You can chew upon it for days.
Octopus bad still. So right now we just left the Italian restaurant and Sonny phone dead, so we'll get him charging so we can do for the rest of the night. Understand? And I think we'll go clubbing tonight. You see me? I'm telling people I'm affy copper girl. I get a look at I swear, so I'm just forward and just as I said, the vlog I got kinda long because 3 days me are there for.
Well, technically, 2 days?
2 days, no. 2 nights and 3 days.
Yeah.
Triple. Yeah. Forward. You know, about 6 out there. Yeah man, pick up the whole of the work and everything. Go straight. Yeah man. Yeah.
Code line. You know, say make a list.
Yeah.
Chop style.
Chop
Serious
style.
are ones at the code.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
Mad.
Portion it. Hard you have to buy and the crown have to buy. Yeah.
Mad. Nobody got thief no crown and crash it though, you see me?
Why is that boy everything? Yeah.
I'm me tell you.
Hey people, update now. I got a club. You see me? But unfortunately my mic can't bring on because in the club got dark. You see it, so it don't really make no sense to bring on. I got dark. Me and the killie there. Killie. What? You see it, so yeah, stay tuned for more. So yo, just come back in. And the time is now 3:16 a.m. Sunday. I'll get some sleep, you know, and see where the rest of the day later take on. Probably later I'm going to the pool and we'll get to see some of that. So tired, man. Just wait, people. Get some breakfast and all things eat. Now look how inside of the breakfast is full of charge.
Now love for the road. One voice and done voice, you know. DJ not come here. 4th generation. You not come beat them. Brad boy. Banga mana.
Missy Bokopina, Missy Bokopina, Missy Bokopina, Jones have dogs and the Della Vega dogs, stop, man, them. Della been up in a 9 and in a 10. Say me never get a pussy there again. Can me rougher than a man with rubber band. As me come, so me ready back again. Peanut, oats, blem. Breathe 30 gal a making represent. King tell Sue tell Shem 2 gal 1 time, garlic. Bokopina. 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 We see Bokopina. We see Bokopina. Bokopina. We see Bokopina. Jones have thugs and the De La Vega thugs. Stop, bang, stop, man, them. Gyal been up in a 9 and in a 10. Say me nah go get a pussy there again. Can me rougher than a man with rubber band. As me come, so me ready back again. Peanut, oats, blame.
That's my general reaction when him see her, you see me? So stick in the face, Yo, ask her about the video. Jenna. Tajeem, ask her about the video. Somebody say you want to do a video today.
We see Bokopina.
I don't say I want to go that way there, man. No say I don't want to go that way there, man. Me know, man. Remember me tell you, no, man.
Them not like me, I mean I like them. Yo, you like them? You like them? You like them? No. Bad mind not pre me. What's up, mate? Yeah. At 6 girl them go. You like a run from over there, sir? And jump. See him, you can see him. See me. I'm gonna jump. This man have me walking on the water.
So I search my need to get a water camera.
People mean at the water with the friggin' camera. In the water with the camera. Right now is a big risk me I think. Yes, people. Jamaica. And love. My country better than yours.
Me love Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Jumping at the river when me ready for bed. No boy can't buy me out. Me no foreign minded, no way compared to Jamaica. Jamaica love, we wanna feel Jamaica love.
Respect. Jim Beam.
KyngTaj fan base, that's what the thing said. Drunk again. One more day drunk. Huh? The brother you know, we couple you know. Watch it. Drunk.
So I just wake up after what do you call it? But they drunk to him, I know. The bartender give me a lip a shot and thing and with the slap I'm gonna go to my bed. So wake up now. The youth see me up already, him Sonny is it and I just call him and tell him say I'm hungry and thing and him say, yo, I got a Japanese restaurant today. So we had the Japanese today. I'm kind of frosty, man. I don't know if you can see it. Is it? But you don't know. Good morning. Yeah. Watching, real watching. I call him something a white squall. Yeah, man. Just so. Go get for vlog last night because after I drink the one bag of rum in the pool, the day I did really drunk and I did fall asleep and I did start vomit all in the night. I go vomit and I go to the Asian restaurant. But it feel kind of better. I'll come back here, I'll come back home. Not even know what Sonny will go on it last night. I link up to them and forgot to ask him what go on. Get all the girl room number for go and deep go. Show you how many junk and you know. I'm there still. What? Time is 7:13. See that? 7:13. I see if I can get something done today and build up the vlog more today. So I'll get some breakfast, you know. I'm telling you, Sonny is my slippers. I walk off my slippers now. If you ever saw me out here, I'm sure now. Show me out here. Hold on. Show me out here. Not my slippers. So I got to Sonny for my slippers. It's a beautiful day today, people. I'm telling you. The place looks lovely. Yes. I'm going to hurry up and get breakfast because the lines in the morning for breakfast is very long. Especially when today's our last day. And most people last day, them are going to come with them hungry belly and want to take everything. Breakfast line is. So I'm just reaching a Sunny Hill place. And I don't know where Sunny Hill lives. I just tell somebody for come on. I see them at them back door. Tell them to come. Which one of them living again? No, not around door. Sunny Hill. Sunny Hill. Shit. I am. Yeah, dude. Brother, palm slippers there. Watch man. Man, I have to walk away with them slippers here. Even though I just take it up. Might come get some breakfast at the line start. I asked the man I'll have my shirt too. I'm gonna link the girl. But yeah, I don't know. I get ready and meet me up there.
Grab all that shop and put down back. Go get some breakfast.
Cold you do, brother. But it frost.
Man.
Frost. Last night we did for easy if I took on the road,
Man, deal for the IS.
but the junk.
Me cold.
See, in my bed, I go back after I go eat.
Man say I go hold a 5 or a little nap up on the man.
But,
go get up.
But I couldn't get up, but I did frost people, I swear to you. Plus I did have vomit, so you know that go. I did have a hangover.
Never bother rise again for the night.
Damn, rise my youth, but
All who virgin we did in the pool, wake up at 1:40 and come out same way myself.
oh, the black youth?
Yeah man.
Yeah, and I pull the dog asleep, you know.
I know.
Yo, the dog asleep in the pool, yo.
My lord, me tell you, so I see the dog pop up out of nowhere. 145.
Wanna go last night? Wanna go? Where you do?
We did in a club.
How the club did stay?
Yeah, alright, man.
You getting a girl?
Who, me?
Yeah, the cat girl.
Yeah.
So my girl did it the designer girl. Why you never did it, girl? Huh?
Lady the daughter.
Oh,
What's your name?
Zevina. She did it.
Zevina go jump out in the middle of yeah, man.
Float.
Selected, they are juggling some blood clue.
I want different selector. Look, so. Yo, the first club like me go. Selector. I be a man come like me, yo, when a non-professional selector will just play any song and just chat a bag of foolishness on the mind.
French toast or banana bread?
No, I understand. They're not put a whole heap of banana in it. You can taste the banana and the flour.
Greenland. China. Asian, Australia, dog.
Australia, yeah.
Come on. Bad people, first thing first, we have 3 continents. Then we have 6. And now Russia, 1 continent.
I'm going again. Australia, Africa. Europe. That's 3. North America, South America. Antarctica. What the little one name again? Russia.
Dog, stop saying Russia. Russia is not a continent.
What the next one?
I don't remember now.
You have one small one there, dog. Let's ask you there, though.
Yeah.
When you comment and tell me how much continent there is and tell me. Obviously, me have done. Yes, people. My time has come to an end right now, as you can see. The big party. You know? I'm gonna go to Sports Center over there. Yeah, so I'll leave the place now, go back home. So you can call this at the end of the video. And feel probably maybe some exciting and fun will probably show. Stand at the end of the video, I'm hoping to enjoy. Or give it a like button. Comment and share the video. See, what else more? Oh, shirts are coming soon, so just stay tuned.